In this video, I'm going to show you how to print a MailChimp newsletter and save it as a PDF using the Microsoft Print to PDF option. This is a really useful method if you want a physical copy, a shareable file, or just an easy way to archive your email campaign without reformatting anything manually. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Now let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Sign in using your account credentials and make sure you're logging into the account that has access to the campaign you want to print. Once you're inside MailChimp, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. This will take you to the section where all of your email campaigns are stored. Find the email campaign you want to save as a PDF, then locate the three-dot menu next to that campaign. Click the three dots and from the options that appear, select View in Browser. This opens the web version of the email in a separate browser tab or window, which is exactly what you need before printing. Now that the email is open in your browser, it's time to open the print dialog. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and P. If you're on a Mac, press Command and P. This will bring up your browser's print settings. In the print window, look for the destination or printer option. Click it and change the destination to Microsoft Print to PDF. This tells your computer to create a PDF file instead of sending the newsletter to a physical printer. Next, review the print settings carefully. Set the pages if you only want certain parts of the newsletter printed. Choose the layout that best matches the design of your email, usually portrait or landscape, depending on how the newsletter is formatted. Then, check the color settings so the final PDF keeps the original look of the MailChimp newsletter as closely as possible. You may also want to preview the page before continuing, just to make sure the content fits properly and nothing important gets cut off. If everything looks good, click Print. Your computer will then ask you where you want to save the PDF file. Choose a folder, give the file a name that makes it easy to recognize, and click Save. And that's it. Your MailChimp newsletter has now been printed to PDF. This is a simple way to keep a backup, share the newsletter with your team, or print it out later whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.